Alright, Sword and Shield Booster Pack. Let's go. Last one of these I opened, I pulled the Rainbow Lappers, so we will see if we get anything else. And that would be crazy if I got another, because that's my favorite card from the set. And the Golden Zacian, but already pulled that as well. Alright. That's for all of you. And let's do the little pack trick. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Guess the energy is cringe, but we're going to do it anyways. Fire. Does anybody else ever guess the energy and like pick the energy that's super effective with it? Like fire, super effective to grass? Because like, it seems like I always do that. Ooh, Hitmonlee. Skål Sizzlipede, I mean. Zigzagoon. Luna. Snom. Hey, this is a General Mills card. Alright. Oh, okay, we got a Holo. Not too bad. Hey, this... Okay, that's... That might be a General Mills promo too. Let me see. I know that card is in there. Here's a bunch of promos. No, it's not the same, but it's literally like almost the same card but flipped. That's pretty funny. Alright,